Here is a really quick recipe for vanilla pudding mix to keep in your pantry for instant cooking. You need a cup of sugar, and I'm using my homemade vanilla sugar that I have put vanilla beans into. We need 3/4 cup of cornstarch, 3/4 cup of instant non-fat dry milk, a teaspoon of kosher salt, and a jar to keep it in. And I have written the recipe for creating the pudding from the mix on the lid so that I don't have to dig out a recipe every time I want to make it. So we're just going to mix this up straight into this jar.